the oat milk. So the presentation went I just got back home from uni and it's snowy outside. It's very pretty and the sun is also out. So pretty. The pants are from Lukrembo. This is also from Lukrembo, but I got this for 5 euros and now it's around 40-50 euros. So I got a good deal. And then this sweater is from Book. Presentation coming up and I have about 20 pages that I need to read and work through, and I'm lacking some motivation, to be honest, but it is not about motivation, it's about mindset and just starting. So I put on my comfiest Sherpa sweatshirt and I'm going to start. It's about the pandemic and coronavirus. I always use my iPad for reading. I try to have a system, but it's not always working. And I have the tendency to just mark the whole text. At the end I can just collect the most important parts that I wrote down. Looking for a new hair care product, definitely get this one. I got this from yesterday. It's a bit more expensive, but it smells really nice and this lasts you about a year. I think this is about this fall now and I've had this since spring, so it's very good. It smells like peaches. Presentation and I tried to make a cute handout, but it's just basic, so I'm trying to make it a bit more special. I'm changing some colors and make it more, I guess, stand out. Let's see. My hair is still wet, so I think it won't stay. That looks weird. Okay, let me come back to this. Okay, now it looks great, but since my hair is wet, it's not going to last, so enjoy it for now. I'm not bringing my switch. finally back home. As you saw, I got some snacks, some sweets as a treat since I've mastered my presentation, and I'm going to eat them now and talk a bit about how the presentation went. It's not going to be long, don't worry. So first of all, I got this strawberry oat milk. Even though this is iced and it's freezing outside, it's still so good. It's very sweet and it tastes like melted ice cream. So yummy. And then I got my favorite cake, matcha cheesecake. I always get this. I feel like this has been in at least 5 of my videos. I got a very cute thing today in the cafe. They also sell handmade crochet keychains, and since it's Christmas now, as you saw in the clips, they had a lot of Christmas options, and I got this Christmas teddy bear. Okay, so the presentation went well. We struggled a bit with the timing, so we had to rush a bit because my partner had to go earlier, and then we had to really rush it. But I talked to the professor and he said he's going to give us the grades next week, but we don't have to worry, so that's great, I guess. I turned the camera this way because there's RJ in the background, and tomorrow there's a birthday celebration for Jin from BTS, and Jin is my favorite, so I'm definitely going. These are the goodies for day 1. That's so pretty. It's the astronaut themed. I really want to bring RJ with me. This is Jumbo RJ. I just got back home and I'm so dead. And now I really want to rearrange my desk setup because it has been like this for a few months and I need some changes. I'm done now with my desk and I think it's okay, it's cute, it's pretty, so I'm leaving it. Also, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a bit random, all over the place and messy. I'm sorry for that, but yeah, still thank you for watching. I hope you got some tiny bit of motivation to study. Go study. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!